In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an advanced trading journal using Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to organize your trading records more efficiently, this tutorial is for you. We'll dive into creating a streamlined and effective trading journal that can help you track, analyze, and improve your trading activities. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Notion's website. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick and straightforward process. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the icon to create a new page. It's usually represented by a small plus sign in the sidebar. When you've clicked that icon, you'll see options to either start from a blank page or explore the available Notion templates. Templates can save you a great deal of time by providing a pre-structured layout, so let's head in that direction. Next, go to the template section. Once there, use the search bar to look up Trading Journal. This search will present you with several options, including both free and paid templates. Choose a trading journal template that fits your budget and requirements. If you're an enthusiastic trader, consider investing in a premium template. However, if you're starting out, a free one will suffice for most needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the template to open it. You should see a prominent Plus Add button on the page. Clicking this button will prompt you to decide whether you want to add this template to your personal space or a shared workspace. Select the option that suits your needs. If you're collaborating with others or simply wish to keep your trading journal publicly reachable, adding it to a workspace is ideal. Still, if you prefer keeping the journal private, go with the personal space. Once you've added the template, you'll notice it being instantly incorporated into your chosen space. It will typically be titled Trading Journal and Plan shall your name. At this stage, it's important to tailor the template to suit your specific trading practices. Click on the template's name or icon to open it. Now, take some time to explore the various elements and start customizing the sections. You can edit the text, add new categories, and input formulas that can aid in analyzing your trades. Most templates come with fields for documenting trading goals, strategies, performance metrics, and even daily reflections, offering a holistic view of your trading activities. Feel free to experiment with different tables properties or add charts if applicable to visualize your trading patterns. That's it! You've successfully set up an advanced trading journal in Notion. By maintaining and updating this journal consistently, you'll not only track your progress over time, but also refine your strategies for future trades. Remember, the key to success in trading, as with most endeavors, lies